What's up, guys? It's Nevaeh here, and we just tried this very cool slime edition. So all you need is like toothpaste and water. So I need like. So this is gonna this is gonna be wait. I just need to how much toothpaste you're gonna need. So like.
Yeah, so what's up, guys? It's Emily here, Medicine here. We're just doing some video and brush our teeth.
Okay, wait. So
That's way too much.
Is that too much?
Bria?
I know.
Bria.
And it's gonna be how much water you're gonna need.
What?
How much water can be needed? Like that much water. This is how much water you can see.
Yeah, that much water.
Oh, that's warm. I'm gonna be using my sister over there downloading apps. This is actually a very good channel. So you would actually probably know who it is. If you don't, Alia, come show your face so they know who you are. Come on. This is her channel, and she doesn't really go on YouTube that much.
Yeah, that really goes.
She posts. Oh well, we actually.
Goes on.
We actually post every Saturdays and Mondays.
And Tuesday.
So yeah.
No, and Tuesdays.
No.
Yes.
Last weekend was our very first. You might want to watch our very first YouTube.
This is good.
Okay, so
Hey, come on.
this is really not consistently, but you would want to leave it in the fridge for 1 or 2 days. So I'll see you tomorrow and see if it works. So bye. Peace.